Now that the award season has reached its fag end, Zoom की फैशन पुलिस का काम भी हो गया है काफी chilled. Anyways, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं इस वीक का फैशन राउंड अप with the premiere of today's release. एक दीवाना था. Amy, as much as we love you and we love the sari of yours, but together the blouse is very unflattering to your teen queen figure, and with almost invisible earrings and the bare neck, this look fails to do the magic which it could have done. But हम ये सब भूलकर एमी को एक इंडियन आउटफिट कैरी करने के लिए देते हैं a complete 10 on 10. But as they say, साड़ी कैरी करना is not a teen queen game. For all the love we have for you, your faux pas is unforgivable. Maybe you should have worn something easy and safe, like the new bride Janelia. And we are totally digging in for her lovely salwar kameez look completed with jutis. Now that we are talking about traditional outfits, Konkana Sen Sharma आई एक इवेंट पर like this. कोको, आपकी पेज 3 कब की रिलीज होकर हिट हो गई है? You need not be in your character anymore. Moreover, आप आई हैं एक सालसा स्टूडियो के लॉन्च पर. Don't you think this look is very incoherent with the location? Now it's time for the standard line for every roundup. Vidya, please get over the same designer similar saris, hairdo and makeup phase. Maybe you can seek inspiration from Neha Dhupia, who never repeats her look. Neha, you looked lovely in this great dress, but what happened to your style sense when it was time for picking shoes for the outfit? We think Shri Devi must be going through the same parishani that am I picking the right shoes? So Shri ma'am decided to go for an outfit जिसमें ऐसा कोई टेंशन ही नहीं. आप कुछ भी कर लें, you cannot see her shoes. Shri ma'am, the jumpsuit was so lovely, and so was the clutch. But who matches lipstick with clutches? It's not the 80s anymore. वैसे we can't blame Shri Devi ji alone. अब बिपाशा को ही देख लीजिए. How gorgeous is she looking here? But then her shoes let her down. The high street of fashion is a tricky lane, and the girl who walked it this week with a 10 on 10 panache was Nargis Fakhri. एक derby में आई Nargis was totally up for the event. The 60s cut blush pink dress paired with nude heels and clutch gave her all the elegance which is expected at such events. For all the fashion freaks out there, Nargis should be your clue of what to wear on those Sunday brunches and high teas. And Amy with her faux pas should be your clue of what not to do ever. For Kirti Tarang, Zoom, Mumbai.